Laurie the Devil and her gay husband Sam have gone out to eat somewhere in southern Louisiana, and of course they found something to complain about and bitch about at the restaurant. I've probably told you before, both of them fly into a rage every 20 minutes. And Sam says as he drives, I can't believe that guy. He just stood there with that sheepish smile on his face as both of us were yelling and screaming at him. Oh yeah, the sheep have a way of protecting themselves now. They got video cameras on them. They're documenting your rage left and right. You demon from hell couple. Brenda is sitting in a hospital bed. And when she sees someone who works in the hospital, she calls them in and she says, What is that? I hear this insane laughing for a little while, and then I hear this angry yelling and screaming and cussing. And they tell her, oh, that's Samuel Lynn Bond, a gay husband of Devil Laurie. He likes to see folks in pain. That's why he works in a hospital environment. And yeah, he's got the devil's rage in those black eyes up here. So you see him go black, means he's about to burst into that every 20 minutes rage. I'm Melton, checking post and 5. Ask those who can reach me how you do that. We are in a hospital in southern Louisiana, and Samuel Lynn Bond is screaming and yelling at his computer. He's making a loud, whiny noise, and so he's adding his own, yelling and screaming and cussing. They're used to it. You wait 20 minutes, and the gay husband and or his devil Laurie will yell and scream. But Ralph, he goes into his control room and he says to Leo, is that your bug in there doing that malfunction? He says, no, it's Spectrum. They want to buy their way out of the damnation. Greg likes to push buttons. He likes to get under people's skin. And so he has waited 20 minutes. Every 20 minutes, Samuel Lynn Bond, the gay husband of Laurie Ann Brady Bond, flies into a rage. So Greg walks up to him and he asks him, what do you know at that point in time? What do you know about me not reaching John Milton Brady with a 93 check? He's been asking for checks of America's Lifeline for a decade. He has yet to get one. I don't know how you reach him to taunt him about his Gates' livelihood of building Jesus' Immaculate House and his Gates' phone, hijacked phone. How do you do that, Sam? And he gets it on a nice audio or video. You need to know that's your family's lifeline. I guarantee you, if it's not allowed to work in emergency, it's going to be just as newsworthy.